Hello traders, The title of this video is how to use Elliott wave principal trading to dominate Brazilian Ibovespa index like a pro. Alright? So we are recording this video today because a YouTuber of the name of Anthony Luis did ask me at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Alright, I hope he will be watching this video at the 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Did ask me to review the Ibovespa, and my pronunciation is it correct? Ibovespa Brazilian Stock Index. Now, if you are using trading view, the epic is JZY0. Alright, Juliet Zulu Yankee 0. That's the epic for the Brazil Bovespa index. Alright. So I've already done my wave count, so this is the first Elliott wave from here. If I have enough data, that first Elliott wave has been subdivided into 5 Mano wave, first Mano wave, second Mano wave, third Mano wave, fourth Mano wave. The fourth Mano wave almost overlap the first wave. Alright. And then the fifth Mano wave of the first wave, right there. Am I correct? Do you agree or disagree? Let us know in the comment section. Then we have the second wave right here. Very nice second wave. A shallow second wave. When we have a shallow second wave, for instance 38.2%, we can expect an extension of the fifth wave. Alright. So end of the second wave right here, we have the third wave all the way up here. That third wave also is subdivided into 5 Mano wave. This is what we call a complex third Elliott wave. So this is the first Mano wave of that third wave, second Mano wave of that third wave. The third Mano wave of the third wave itself has been subdivided into 5 Mano wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, no. Hold on, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the end of the third Mano wave of the third wave itself, followed by the fourth Mano wave of the third wave and the fifth Mano wave of the third wave. So we see a lot of an extension here. The first Mano wave itself has been subdivided into 5 Mano wave. We see that the third wave also has been subdivided into 5 Mano wave. Not only that, the third Mano wave of the third wave itself has been subdivided into 5 Mano wave. What's going on? The Brazilians love the Elliott wave extension. Now we have a very shallow fourth wave right here, followed by the fifth Mano wave, followed by the fifth wave. Oh, it's a lunch time in London. Time to eat something, George. So I'm recording this video today on the 13th of March 2019. The time in London is 60 minutes past 2 p.m. Alright. So from here all the way up there, that's the fifth wave. So anytime we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, we label it an impulse wave of a higher degree. So that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves become an impulse wave of a higher degree. So when we are talking about impulse waves, we are talking about first wave, third wave, and fifth wave. Alright? So in this case, the blue number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves become the black one there. First wave of a higher degree, provided that I have enough data here, provided that I'm seeing everything that I need to see. With the information that I have today, that's all I can say to traders. All right? And at the end of the fifth way, a correction has begun. It's a flat correction. See, the A part of the flat correction went down, down into the sweet spot zone of the multi-way. So for traders that are very new, what is a multi-way? Is the trending phase of the Elliott wave cycle on that particular time frame. That trending phase on that particular time frame is just another impulse wave of a higher degree. We are talking about a bigger cycle, a mini cycle, a mini cycle. All right? Don't get confused. So, at the end of the multi-wave, right here, we see that the price kind of shoot down into the sweet spot zone. People say, what is the sweet spot zone? If you do not know, it means that you are not following us at Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. The sweet spot zone is the zone between the 50% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of that trending phase. You see, usually there are buyers here. And did they buy here? Yes, they did. You want to watch them, they will try to buy here. Price gash up and then pull back again, forming what we call, okay, 1, 2, 3. It's a flat correction. At that point in time, we will say it's a flat correction, yes or no. All right? So, because we say the Elliott wave count is one step at a time. Okay? But when you were here, you say, you may say it's a sharp correction. At that point in time, it's correct. But now we see a double retracement. So price went down, and then it goes back to the starting point again. That's what we call a double retracement. It's a typical, okay, phenomenon when we are talking about the flat correction. So that's the A part of the flat correction. That's the B wave, B manner wave of the flat correction. And this move down here is the C wave of the flat correction. I need to remind traders that I love to trade the C wave of the flat correction because it's become so easy to trade it. Especially if you are swing trading, trade the C manner wave of the flat correction. Normally, in a normal condition, choosing my word very, very carefully, should be subdivided into 5 manner waves. Can you see those 5 manner waves clearly? It's not very clear. It's not very clear. You see, blah, 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 blah. So if you consider this, one move down, one move up, all right, one move down, that's 3, then one move up, that's 4, and one move down, that's 5. All right? But it's not very clear, see. So that I don't want to dwell too much on this because when we see a double top, we can cover it again. Like here, you see, this is something I showed to trader. Then you see a double top, a double bottom, you can cover it. If you get confused, you can cover the double top here. You see, so if you cover this double top, you say 1, yes or no. And then you say 2. All right, now you start going out, blah, 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 blah. 3, subdivided into 5, yes or no. And then 4. And then this one, which is the 5th manner wave of the C manner wave of the flat correction, can also be subdivided into 5. Normally, we should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's not very clear. 1, 2, 3, a little bit up, 4, 5. Not very clear. So normally we should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the C manner wave or the flat correction. So what I say to traders, talking about 2-4 Elliott wave trading using the Elliott wave principle. We don't want to get carried away, you know. So you just map out your chart, yes or no? Is that not what we said? Just map it out. So you start going down here. There's a bearish trend line, yes or no? So you are trying to sell. So you sell here. You try to sell here. If the common settle line here is broken, you try to sell here. If the common settle line is broken, you just keep going, flowing with the price until it stops somewhere. And it did stop on top of the sweet exposure. What period? This Ibovespa, is my pronunciation correct? All right. Am I speaking with my frog accent today? All right. Okay, so it's just the market pattern. It's a declining channel. You see here. So you just flow with it. You know that it has a high chance to go down to form the C wave. Just flow with it and see what will happen until the end. See here. So after that supposed to be a flat correction, at the point where you point 2, you see that when I put the second wave of a higher degree, because those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes 1, all right, and then we have the flat correction becoming 2 of a higher degree, because we have another second wave here before, yes or no? Now this is a bigger second wave of a higher degree, yes or no? So we'll be thinking that this move that is starting here will form what? The third wave of a higher degree. Attention please, traders. Are you listening? At this point in time, before we can talk about the third wave of a higher degree, the Ibovespa stock index must find a support above the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the motive wave. And that 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of that motive wave is at 101,902. All right, 101,902. That's the red line there. If you are trading this stock index, you need to have it on your chart. Are you Brazilians? Are you an American? Let us know in the comment section. Do you trade this Ibovespa? By the way, this is the first time I'm recording the video because, Anthony Louis, a YouTuber, did ask me at the Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, George, will you be happy to analyze Ibovespa? So I check if I have data for it. Yes, I have data for it, thanks to TradingView software. And here we are talking about it. So if you have posted a suggestion in the comment section, I have a book here. I note everything down. All you need to do, stay patient. All right. Too many suggestions, but all right. So I'm working on it, okay? So we cannot, it's too early now to talk about the third wave of a higher degree. So what we can say to traders at this point in time is be careful. We talked already about a flat correction, yes or no? We may have a bigger flat correction. So this move down here may be the A manual wave of the bigger flat correction. Are you getting it now? And this move like this one. This one, 1, 2, 3, may form the B manual wave of the bigger flat correction. And if you find a resistance here and start going down as it did here, we'll be calling this move 1, 2, 3 as the B manual wave of the bigger flat correction. For advanced traders that are very, very interested in a predictive fractal trading, we can use this structure here, okay, of this mini flat correction that we talk about to predict how the C manual wave of the bigger flat correction may be formed. So we will expecting something like this, blah, 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 blah. If the price is duplicating the same price structure, it may duplicate it, it may not duplicate it. It may do something completely different. All right? So check out Predictive Fractal Pattern Trading at dayprotraders.com. It helps traders to forecast the market. The forecast is an expectation. It's not an exact science. Don't force it on the price thinking that, yes, thank you, George, this is exactly what is going to happen. What would you do if that did not happen? That is the question. All right, so it may form a bigger flat correction here at the resistance at 101,902. All right, but if it breaks above that level and finds support and continue to go up more and more and more, we will be talking instead about the third wave of a higher degree. I hope, okay, you understand what I'm talking about here. All right. So a multi-way is completed, we label it 1. A flat correction completed, we label it 2. And now the price going up. Before we can talk about the third wave, a higher degree must find support and continue to go up beyond the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level applied to the whole trading phase. All right. Now it's coming near that level. There will be some seller in that zone. Watch out. All right. So if you find a resistance here, how do we know you find a resistance? Common center line is broken here. Okay, we implement a different time frame trading method. So we are looking for trading setup. Then we implement a different time frame trading method to time the market. All right. The different time frame trading method, or what we call a top-down trading method, will help traders to avoid all kind of mistakes. If you are new to the topic of top-down trading method, just you to search the phrase mastering top-down trading method, top-down trading by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. So two things are possible here. We may have a bigger flat correction. If that is the case, the price will come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you just go down. All right, forming the C manual wave of the bigger flat correction. If that is the case, our second wave of a higher degree, you see that's why I put the question mark in pink here. Can you see the question mark? If the price pull back down here to form the C manual wave or the bigger flat correction, our second wave will not be here, it will be somewhere here. If we have a bigger flat correction. If we do not see the bigger flat correction, but instead the price breaks above that level and finds support and continue to go up more and more and more, not just go above it, sometimes it can go above it a little bit only to come back down. So watch out for that common center line. If you break above it and find support and continue to go up more and more and more, our second wave of a higher degree will stay here. And we will put a third wave at the end of that third wave. We will see what will happen. There is a high chance that we may see a bigger flat correction because looking at the S&P 500 at this junction, anything is possible. Do not assume anything. Flow with the price, as I said to traders, preliminary Elliott wave count, validation of the Elliott wave count, all right? Go into the mind of other traders, meaning that compare your wave count to mine and to other traders, okay, and go with the price. And then after that, map out the chart. Map out the chart means that you will use Andrew Pitchfork tool, you will draw trend line, you will draw shadow. Okay? So by mapping on the chart, because we have finished our Elliott wave analysis, which is the Elliott wave forecast, expectation of a C manual wave of a bigger flat correction or third wave continuing, all right? Those are the expectations, yes or no? But after that, you want to map out your chart so you can look for trading setup on the edge at the hotspot trading zone, and then the next step is what? That's correct. I can hear you. You say a top-down trading method. Have I been talking too much today? Am I too excited? Am I becoming too much Brazilian? Brazilians like to do things very fast. You can see how their index is extending all the time. Extension, all right. Third wave extended. Third manual wave or the third wave extended. All right. Now they are pushing it very fast. They like to do things very, very fast in Brazil. Is it Brazil or Brazil? Okay, I'm speaking French. Brazil in French. Brazil. 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 Brazil Bovespa Index. Nice Bovespa, okay? Un poco de todo. You see, Joe? You say, Joe, you speak Spanish. Un poco de todo means a little bit of everything, all right? Yes or no? Correct me, Anthony Lewis. Un poco de todo. All right? I learned Spanish for 1 year and I forget everything. So don't ask me to speak Spanish. All right? Okay? So those are the expectations. So map out your chart, put the P42 on your chart. I'm going to see if I can make it. Why is it setting here? Why is he doing this to me? Okay. Okay. So right now we are on the edge of the median line of the upper half of the P42. Beautiful trading view. You see here, we are now on the edge of it. But watch out for that resistance at 10190. That common trend line. And also, don't forget that trend line here, this one. All right. All right, connect to this point and this one. Just map out your chart. Draw all the trend line that you can draw. All right, do you want me to do it for you? We don't want the video to be too long, yes or no? All right. So map out your chart. Draw all the trend line that you can draw. Okay. Any trend line that you can see, just draw them. Draw your trend line all over the place. Map out your chart so you can look for trading setup and hotspot trading zone. Don't forget the horizontal key levels. Intersection between the horizontal key level and the trend line will form what we call a hot spot trading zone. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial that can help other Ibovespa index traders, feel free to share with your friend on the social media. Okay. Sometimes I'm posting video files on Facebook. All right, my Facebook page is stochastic-macd. If you want to learn more about Elliott Wave trading, go to www.24elliottwaves.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Elliott Wave Traders, DG2, DG4, Elliott Waves. 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel. All right, 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use Elliott Wave principal trading to dominate Brazilian Ibovespa index like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Any question? Any suggestion? Any other financial instrument you want me to look at? All right, this is it. All right, somebody asked, that's why we are recording this video. You may also ask.